In the cross, be my glory ever, till my rapture soul shall find rest beyond the reach. Treasure your ideas, for they are like seed that germinates in your mind. They root, shoot, and fruit into concepts, creativity that are beyond
the bread is so
imagination.
soft.
Thank you guys for watching.
And oh, look at the way it's soft. Look, so soft, so hot. Oh, yeah, look at the way I'm enjoying it. So soft. I love the taste. I really enjoy the taste and the softness of it. Oh, but you can try this recipe. You don't need to buy bread in the house. Try this, and you call me and say, Bidan, I tried this bread and it's good. The doings. The name is Bedianawalkerdoings. Thank you for watching me. I love you all. The bread is so soft. The bread is so tasty. The bread is wash.
Beautiful people, we are back again. Today we are coming to make soft bread. This is my butter here. I'm doing 1 portion of soft bread. This is my butter. This is my milk powder. Just 1 portion, yeah. So this is my milk powder. If you want to also prepare, you can choose the quantity you want for yourself. Okay, so now we'll add our sugar. So we are coming to mix it. This is my dry yeast. This is lukewarm water. So now let's mix them together. You can use anything to mix it. Yeah, but I'm using my spoon. Yeah. You can use a whisk to whisk your mixture any style you want to do it. Yeah. So this is a pinch of salt. This is vanilla essence. You can use any choice of essence, flavor, or anything. Yeah. And now I will add my bread flour. You can use all-purpose flour. You can use soft. I'm adding my bread flour. You can use all-purpose flour. Yeah. Let's knead it. If you are not comfortable using your hand to mix your dough, you can wear a gloves, or if you have a machine mixture, you can also use it. Yeah. Okay, so we are kneading our bread now. You see how it's so soft. I normally love using my hand to mix my dough. I don't like using machine. When you use machine, you don't get what you want sometimes, but I prefer. You see how soft it is. The name is Bedianawalkerdoings. Please, if you are still watching me, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Yeah, thank you so much. If you are kneading and you find that the dough is so hard, try to add a little lukewarm water, so that you get fine soft texture. Yeah. Okay, so I'm still kneading the bread. You see, it's so soft and relaxed. So now I'll put it in somewhere for it to proof. I'll cover it for it to relax and proof. Then we can fold and cut into any desirable shape you want to make our soft bread. You see, so soft, relax. The name is Bedianawalkerdoings. Thank you. Okay, so now the bread is done. Soft, see, so soft and relaxed. Yeah, so now I'll cover it for 20 to 25 minutes, or last someone will say last 30 minutes for it to relax and prove well. Yeah, so now we are going to look for our bread pan and open our oven so we can start. So see, this is, thank you. Our bread is proof, you see. You see, bread is proof to relaxed, you see. You see. So now let's fold it. Our bread is proof, and I'm coming to shape it. I'm using my hand to shape it. If you are in the house and you don't feel comfortable using your hand, you are free to use your board or any measurement mat. Yeah, so the bread is so soft, so soft. So I'm using my hand to fold it to get a desirable shape of our soft bread. God, we thank you for our life. So we are still, shaping the dough. I'm greasing my baking pan right now. Jesus, keep me near the cross, the precious fountain. This is our soft bread here. Free I have my mug here to the healing stream. If you also have an egg and you want to use egg, you are free to use egg to egg wash the top. Yeah, anything you want to use to egg wash your dough, you are free. But me, I'm using egg. Hey, I've said I'm using egg. I'm using mug to wash up the bread. If you also have egg and you want to use egg to egg wash it, you are free. But I'm using milk wash. I said milk wash. Okay, so this is our bread dough here. So we'll go and put it in the oven for 20 minutes. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound. He works in them like thee. I once but lost in the cross. In the cross be my glory ever, till my rapture soul shall find rest beyond the river. So this is our simple soft bread. Now we are going to put it in the oven and bake it. So let's see the next result. Thank you guys. The bread. This is our soft milky bread. Now you see how it is. Oh gosh.
Okay, you can see that the bread is done and it's so soft, relaxed. Oh no, I never thought I'm this good in doings. Charlie, the bread there is so soft, relaxed. Oh, let's enjoy it. The name is Bedianawalkerdoings. Hey, I'm young coming sebi. I'm young coming washasi. Look at the way I'm enjoying the bread. You will not understand. Hey, never give up on your dreams. You can make anything happen if you just work hard and believe in yourself. Never give up on your dreams. You can make anything happen if you just work hard and believe in yourself. Never, never, ever give up on your dreams. The name is Bedianawalkerdoings. Let's enjoy the vibe. You may not have everything you desire, but be thankful for everything you have. So thank you.